sales executive here at the Hoffman Group, and today I'm here to talk to you about the latch systems the Hoffman Group offer under the brand name AutoLoc. AutoLoc, the leading manufacturer in aftermarket latches, offers a wide range of latches that can fit any type of vehicle you have. Today I'm here to talk about the applications, the features, the benefits, and the installation of the latches. Now let's take a look at AutoLoc's small locking bear claw latch system. Heat-treated single claw latch. Multi-point trigger mechanism. Locking tabs to make that locking a lot easier. Threaded mounting holes and heavy-duty striker bolt. AutoLoc's small locking bear claw latch is ideal for thin doors. AutoLoc's large locking bear claw latch system. Now let's take a look at some of the features. Heavy-duty striker bolt, heat-treated dual bear claw latches, threaded mounting holes, and a multi-point trigger mechanism. Locking tabs exclusive to AutoLoc. Now let's take a look at AutoLoc's exclusive bear claw latch in action. By pulling down the trigger mechanism, you release the bear claw. By pushing down on the locking tab, as you can see, the bear claw latch is secure. By releasing the locking tab, now you can open the bear claw latch. AutoLoc's exclusive locking tab ensures your car's security. AutoLoc's power bear claw latch system. Let's take a look at some features. Automatic release tab with manual override. Heavy duty actuator. Locking tab for your security. Pre-aligned mounting bracket. And a plug-and-play harness. AutoLoc's power bear claw latch system, ideal for opening your doors automatically. AutoLoc's bear claw latch installation kit makes it easy for your installation. Now let's take a look at some details. Built-in pre-aligned striker bolt nut. Laser cut opening to assure proper fit and easy installation. Heavy-duty metal construction to assure a long life. And spot-welded cage for your striker bolt. We get a lot of calls here at the Hoffman Group, and how does the bear claw latch fit into the install kit? Once you install the installation kit to your door, simply align the latch to the installation kit and bolt the latch in. It's that simple. No welding, no cutting, no fuss. The striker bolt plate may be installed in any position. Simply install the plate on your vehicle and then screw in the striker bolt. Now let's talk about AutoLoc's trunk and hood latches. AutoLoc offers the widest range of heavy-duty trunk and hood latches. Simply give us a call and we'll find the right latch for your application, resulting in easy installation and saving you time. Now it's time for me to talk to you about the key differences in the AutoLoc latches versus the other latches you will see on the market. One being the quality. AutoLoc's 23-step quality control process utilizes the latest in technology to ensure you the smoothest operation and the easiest install for your latch, even for you weekend mechanics out there. 2. Selection. AutoLoc offers the widest range and selection of latches from your 34 Ford all the way to your 2006 Lamborghini. 3. Accessories. AutoLoc offers the widest range of accessories for your latches, including installation kit for bolt-on installation, release knobs for easy latch operation, and adapter kits for OEM integration. 4. Tech support. Our tech support offers any type of help you need via the telephone, via email, via even an online conversation you can have directly with one of our tech support specialists. We also offer bilingual tech support help. 5. Lifetime warranty. Our lifetime warranty will protect any purchase of your latches that is a manufacturer defect. So 10 years, 20 years down the line, and your latch has a problem, give us a call and we'll insure it and get you a brand new latch and you can plug it right back in there, especially if you have that install kit. AutoLoc offers a wide range of accessories for your bear claw latching system to ensure you saving time and saving money. Now let's take a look at some of the latch accessories. People who are in need of latches are also in need of other items. Now let's take a look at some of the other items that latch installers also use. As you can see, choosing the right latch for your vehicle or application is important. When it comes to quality and selection, you can count on AutoLoc. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at any time. I'm Jeff Beegee, I'm extension 326, and you can reach me at any time.